Which application was launched by the government for coronavirus risk tracking? Corona Kavach. The government of India has launched the coronavirus risk tracking app called Corona Kavach, jointly developed by the Union Ministry of Electronic and Information Technology and the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The central government set up how many empowered groups for ensuring a comprehensive and integrated response to COVID-19? 11. The central government set up 11 empowered groups for ensuring a comprehensive and integrated response to COVID-19. Recently, which state has developed a mobile application to track and monitor the people who are quarantined for COVID-19? Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh government has developed a mobile application to track and monitor the people who are quarantined for COVID-19. Which state has set up a mobile hand wash facility for the benefit of slum dwellers admit, amidst lockdown in the state? Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh state government has set up a mobile hand wash facility for the benefit of the slum dwellers amidst lockdown in the state. Recently, which bank, United Bank of India and OBC merged itself with which bank? Punjab National Bank. Punjab National Bank has unveiled a new logo as its merge with United Bank of India and OBC, Oriental Bank of Commerce, with effect from 1 April. The government has extended the benefit of 2% interest subvention to banks and 3% prompt repayment initiative to all farmers till which date? 31st May. In the wake of the national lockdown due to the COVID-19, the government has extended the benefit of 2% interest subvention to the bank and 3% prompt repayment incentive to all farmers up to 31st of May this year. Which ministry launched the Stranded in India portal to help foreign tourists stuck in India? Ministry of Tourism. The Ministry of Tourism has launched a portal Stranded in India to help the foreign tourists who are stuck in various parts of the country. Which government state launched active case finding campaign for COVID-19 patient? Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh government launched active case finding campaign for COVID-19 patient. Under this campaign, health workers would provide information regarding the symptoms of COVID-19 to help the people at their doorstep. Recently, in which state Modi Kitchen started its operation? Tamil Nadu. Modi Kitchen, with a capacity to serve 500 meals every day, has started functioning in Kovai, Coimbatore. The kitchen, based near Crosscut Road, one of the main shopping areas of the city, has made arrangement to deliver food parcel within a radius of 10 km too. Recently, India Post extended its post office on wheel service in which state? Uttar Pradesh. The India Post extended its post office of wheels service in UP, Agra and Bareilly in order to ensure the seamless delivery of post and service to citizens during the coronavirus lockdown. Which state government has launched the mobile app Pragyam to issue e-passes to everyone associated with the delivery of essential services? Jharkhand. The Jharkhand government has launched a mobile app Pragyam to issue the e-pass to everyone associated with delivery of essential services during the national lockdown to combat COVID-19. Which state government has launched the Corona Watch application to track the movement or history of patient? Karnataka. The state government launched a mobile application Corona Watch for people to track the movement history of patient who tested positive before their detection, so that they can take precautions. The app will give the date and time of visit to a spot by the patient. Which body has set up a portal for fact checking issue related with the novel coronavirus pandemic? PIB. The Press Information Bureau set up a portal for fact-checking issue related the novel coronavirus pandemic, and it will be receiving the message by email and send its response in quick time. Recently, which application has been developed to help authority in contact tracing and tracking the quarantined COVID-19 patient? Mahakavach. With a view of effectively combat the coronavirus pandemic, a digital application named Mahakavach has been designed, which will help the health authority to contact tracing and tracking a quarantined COVID-19 patient. Government extended implementation of uniform stamp duty for capital market instruments to which is date 1st July. The government has put off implementation of the uniform stamp duty on transfer of shares, debentures, futures, options, currency, and other capital market instrument to July 1st July 2020. Which state government has issued modified guidelines for the distribution of 25 lakh houses site to the poor in urban and rural areas under Naratnalu Pedalandarki Illu program? Andhra Pradesh. Uh, Andhra Pradesh government has issued modified guideline for the distribution of 25 lakh houses sites or to the poor in urban and rural areas under Naratnalu Pedalandakari Ilu Houses for All the People program as per the directions of the High Court. Recently, the government launched which application for tracking of COVID-19? Arog Setu. The government of India has launched its official COVID-19 tracking app Arog Setu. The app has been developed by Ministry of Electronic and Information Technology through public-private partnership under guidance of NIC in just over 4 days. In order to encourage contribution for the fight against the coronavirus pandemic, the center has decided to make all donations towards the newly established PM CARES Fund eligible for 100% tax deduction under the which Act? IT Act 1961. In order to encourage contribution for the fight against the coronavirus pandemic, the center has decided to make all donation toward the newly established PM CARES Fund eligible for 100% tax deduction. Tax deduction. Which body has offered a helping hand to civilian authority in countries first against COVID-19 by extending the service of cadets under exercise NCC Yogdan? NCC. National Cadet Corps has offered a helping hand to civilian authority in the country's fight against the COVID-19 by extending the service of cadets under exercise NCC Yogdan. Recently, which government launched a dedicated helpline number on WhatsApp to ensuring the citizens have an easy access to credible information around the COVID-19 crisis? Delhi. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal-led Delhi government launched a dedicated helpline number on WhatsApp to ensure that the citizens have an easy access to credible information around the COVID-19 disease. Which state government launched BMC Empower 1-on-1? Which state government has launched BMC Empower helpline to alleviate the mental health concern? Maharashtra. In a bid to alleviate the mental health concern of people in Maharashtra during the lockdown period, 24/7 helpline called BMC Empower One on One has launched. How much fund was released to the state by Union Minister of Home Affairs (MHA) under the State Disaster Risk Management Fund? 11,092 crore rupees. The Union Ministry of Home Affairs (MHA) has approved the release of 11,092 crore under the State Disaster Risk Management Fund to all states. How much amount was credited to women's account holder under the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana under PM Garib Kalyan package? 500. The Ministry of Rural Development said that it is releasing a lump sum amount of 500 per head or to women account holder under Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana for April. The same have been credited to the designated account of individual bank on April 2. Which department in a rapid response to combat COVID-19 global pandemic approved the setting up a center for augmenting war with COVID-19 health crisis, Kavach? Department of Science and Technology. Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, in a rapid response to combat COVID-19 global pandemic approved setting up of a center for augmenting war with COVID-19 health crisis at a total cost of 56 crore to escort, evaluate and support the innovations and startups that addresses the COVID-19 challenges. Which state, in collaboration with UNICEF, has launched an online competition program, Mo Parativa? Odisha. Odisha government, in collaboration with the UNICEF, has launched the online competition program More Prativa to engage the children and youth who are staying at home during the lockdown. The annual third day long Vanastoswam festival begin in which state? Andhra Pradesh. The annual third day long Vanastoswam festival of Lord Balaji began in Tirumala without devotees due to the coronavirus lockdown. In which state V-Safe tunnel or disinfectant tunnel was installed to sanitize people in 20 seconds? Telangana. V-Safe tunnel or disinfectant tunnel was established at the office of Director General of Police by S3V Vascular Technology Private Limited. DCP M. Mahendra Reddy inspected the first of its kind tunnel to be installed in a state. Thank you.